So what is Alvys? Alvys is a logistics operating system targeting the trucking companies. The reason we go after the trucking companies is because the trucking companies is the vertical that's been overlooked in our space. All my uncles are truck drivers. My dad has become a truck driver. When I was in college, I wanted to help my dad and I opened a trucking company, and that's how my dispatching started.
Growing up, I had a lot of friends that worked in trucking, and even back then I was thinking of ways to automate the process. What I really like doing is just building things, seeing how they work, seeing the impact. I joined Jet about 10 years ago, and I was actually the first hire at Jet, so I had a chance to see it grow. It was a tremendous experience. We built the system very quickly, we were operating it, and had success as an e-commerce platform. But all those things were just a preparation to work on Alvys.
When I was using different TMSs for my previous company, what I noticed, there's a lot of features, but they didn't work, which is the reason why I formed a tech team and decided to build my own proprietary technology. And when a lot of my friends were telling me, hey, I want to use your platform, I don't like the platform I'm on, this is when I knew I needed to partner up with someone who has that experience building industrial grade platforms. That was 2020, and that's when Alvys was born. I believe trucking space is a lot more complex to build. People underestimate how many moving parts there are.
What our customers say is that our system actually works. It has a great deal of depth and features, and it's reliable and it's fast. What I would like for Alvys to be is to become almost invisible, like a major piece of utility that we take for granted, like we take electricity, water, and Alvys.
The reason a lot of the software companies failed to deliver what the carrier needs is because they couldn't understand what's happening in real time, what's happening on the front line. What's different about Alvys is that I was on the front line. I know what it's like to pick up the phone and dispatch the driver. I've seen it firsthand what it's like to call 30 different brokers to get the best load for the truck. I know those missing gaps. I know exactly what's happening, and that's exactly what we're doing at Alvys. We're actually changing all the pain points into something that I call a perfect experience. Something where the trucking companies are able to maximize their profits. They are able to work less. The owners of the companies are able to go home and enjoy their time with their families. And that's what's important.